In the competitive business world, capturing your audience's attention is paramount. Dry facts and figures can fall flat. This is where business storytelling comes in. Storytelling is a powerful tool. It helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Stories have the power to captivate, persuade, and leave a lasting impression. Think about the last time a presentation truly resonated with you. Was it filled with bullet points and statistics? Or was it a compelling story that drew you in? By tapping into this innate human tendency, you can make your business presentations, pitches, and marketing materials far more impactful. By incorporating storytelling into your business communication, you can create more engaging, persuasive, and ultimately more successful interactions. Why are stories so much more effective than traditional presentations? The answer lies in how our brains process information. When we listen to a story, our brains release hormones like oxytocin and dopamine. These hormones are associated with empathy, pleasure, and memory. This chemical reaction makes us more likely to remember the information presented. Dry, data-heavy presentations often fail to create this emotional connection. Stories, on the other hand, provide a framework for understanding complex information. They make it relatable and memorable. By weaving your message into a narrative, you can help your audience connect with your ideas on a deeper level. Think about how easily you recall the plot of your favorite movie or book. Stories have a way of sticking with us long after we've experienced them. By crafting compelling narratives, you can create presentations, pitches, and marketing materials that are not easily forgotten. One of the biggest challenges businesses face is cutting through the noise. We are constantly bombarded with information. Storytelling provides a solution. Stories are naturally engaging. They tap into our curiosity and desire to know what happens next. By structuring your message as a story, you can keep your audience engaged from beginning to end. A well-told story can captivate your audience. It can prevent them from tuning out or reaching for their phones. Stories have the power to simplify complex information. Instead of bombarding your audience with technical jargon and data points, you can use a story to illustrate your point in a way that is both understandable and memorable. Before you start crafting your business story, it's important to understand the key elements that make a story compelling. Every good story has a clear structure, relatable characters, a relatable conflict, and a satisfying resolution. Structure. Your story should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. The beginning should set the stage and introduce the characters. The middle should develop the plot and build tension. The end should resolve the conflict and leave the audience with a clear takeaway message. Characters. Your audience needs to care about what happens in your story. Creating relatable characters is crucial for fostering this connection. Conflict. At the heart of every good story is a conflict. The resolution should leave your audience feeling satisfied and inspired. Section 5. Crafting your business story. A step-by-step guide. Now that you understand the key elements of a good story, let's discuss how to craft an effective business story. First, identify your core message. What is the one key message you want your audience to remember? Your entire story should be built around communicating this message in a clear and compelling way. Next, know your audience. Who are you trying to reach with your story? What are their pain points, their aspirations, and their values? Then choose the right story type. There are many different types of stories you can tell. Keep it concise. Finally, end with a call to action. Section 6. The proof is in the storytelling real-world success. The power of storytelling is not just a theory. It's a proven technique used by some of the most successful businesses in the world. Take Apple, for example. Apple is renowned for its compelling product launches. Steve Jobs was a master storyteller. He knew how to create an emotional connection with his audience. Another prime example is the success of TED Talks. These examples highlight the universal appeal of storytelling. Section 7. Injecting authenticity and emotion, connecting with your audience. While structure and clarity are important, the most effective business stories are those that are authentic and emotionally resonant. People can spot a fake story a mile away. To truly connect with your audience, your story needs to be genuine and heartfelt. Be vulnerable. Don't be afraid to be open and honest about your own experiences. Show, don't tell. Instead of simply stating facts, use vivid language and sensory details to bring your story to life. Connect to shared values. Use humor. Section 8. Unleash the power of storytelling in your business. In today's business landscape, storytelling is no longer a nice-to-have. It's a necessity. By embracing the power of storytelling, you can transform your business communication, engage your audience, and drive results. Remember, facts tell, but stories sell. Don't underestimate the power of a well-told story. Start incorporating storytelling into your presentations, pitches, marketing materials, and everyday interactions. You'll be amazed by the difference it makes. Remember, everyone has a story to tell. What's yours?